this 2015 Jeep Cherokee Limited, and it is amazing. Panoramic Sunroof, leather heated seats, and tons more. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this black exterior color. You have all of that chrome surrounding your grille with your Jeep logo right there in the middle, and then you have these projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below. This does have a 3.2 liter V6 engine, which is fairly efficient. You get 28 miles to the gallon on the highway. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 18-inch alloy wheels. This could fall under our certification, and if it does, it'd be our 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain, 3-month, 3,000-mile max care coverage, and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at Woody's. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information about that. Your side mirrors have those indicator lights on the sides, and they are powered and heated, and you have keyless entry. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats. They are heated, super comfortable, and they're power adjustable. And your passenger side has this hidden cubby there, so you know if you don't want to bring your purse in, you can just hide it under there. Then looking at your leather-wrapped steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls with media controls on the back. Then looking over at your media center, this is an 8.4-inch touchscreen brought to you by Uconnect. You have your radio options here. You can subscribe to Sirius Radio. Your media options are here if you want to connect your phone, listen to your own music, or you have your controls here for your heated seats and steering wheel. Then tons of Uconnect apps on these pages with all your settings, travel link, all that stuff. And climate controls, which are dual, so you can have different settings on each side of the front seat. And your navigation system, which will take you right to your destination using this map. Then you have your phone settings, so you can make and receive phone calls and text messages on there. And this has a backup camera, so you can clearly see when you're backing up, you know, how much room you have when you're backing up. Then down below you have all of your radio and climate controls in button form. Your select terrain system, auto, snow, sports, sand, or mud, you can have it right to that terrain. You also have a media hub with an SD card reader, USB port, aux port, and a 12-volt. 2 cup holders here. And then you have 2 layers to your center console, top layer, and then a layer below with another 12-volt and USB port. Looking up, you have 911 assist, which is subscribable, garage door openers, and controls to your panoramic sunroof. This thing just stretches all the way across the roof, and it is amazing. So let's go look at the back seat. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers. You can fold this down for a cup holder armrest right there, and you have a 115-volt. These seats also fold down, so you can have that additional space. Roof rack up, top lip spoiler in the back, your LED tail lamps, and then your limited and 4x4 badging are back here. You also have remote start on your key fob. Let's take a look into the trunk. Lots of space back here. Love this bar. You can, you know, attach hooks, put your groceries so they don't fly all the way around. And just lots of space. So overall, amazing vehicle. You have those heated seats, that panoramic sunroof, and your navigation system, plus everything in that media center. So if you want to see this Jeep Cherokee or any of our other Jeeps, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And it
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees. There's no bait and switch. There's no shell game. This is the price. This is what it is.